we are going to be solving this graphically. So here we go. Go tan minus 1 22.62. And now, in order to find this whole thing, we'll just go 90 minus 22.62 equals 38. Perfect. Okay. And now, in order to find, well, let's do a triangle rule. So, make our triangle 180 newtons. The whole thing is 67, so we want to find this. So we have the distance between F3 and F2. So what we can do is 360 minus 2 times 67.38 divided by 2. Which means our 112.62 degrees. So we can erase this and put 112.62 degrees. Just like that. And now we can solve for our FR. So we can go FR equals square root. And this is, I'm going to use the cosine law. So cos law, which is going to be 180 squared plus 200 squared minus 2 times 180 times 200 cosine 112.62. Just like that. This is 112.62. It's not easy to see though. Sorry about that. So FR is going to equal 316.4 newtons. Just like that. So I'm going to erase all this. I'm just going to write all my, just like that, and erase that, and let's get on to the next step. So now we know this is 316.4, just like that. So what we are going to do here, is I'm going to solve for this angle right there, add it to this, then bring it down here. So I know the angle, the distance from here to here. So then, well, we know this is 60, we know this whole thing is 90, so this is 30, so I add this angle to 30, and then we do the same thing we did in the last one to solve for this, and we already have our resultant here. So let's do that. So what we're going to do is solve for that. So that angle there is just this angle here. It's 200, so we just go sine 112.62 divided by 316.4 multiplied by 200, which means theta is 35.7 degrees, just like that. So we can erase the theta and write in 35.7 degrees, just like that. So now we know this angle here is the same distance from our resultant to our x is the same distance here as our resultant to the x. Now we have 30 here, 35.7 here, and 22.6 here. Add them all up to get this angle here, which is going to be 30 plus 35.7 plus 22.6, which equals theta, which theta equals 65.7 plus 22.6, which is going to be 88.3 degrees between our resultant and our resultant of F3 and F2. And now in order to solve for F1, solve for this angle and then use cos law. So we go 360 minus 2 times 88.3 divided by 2 equals 8, which is going to be 91.7. This is 91.7 degrees. Just like that. And now we can erase this up here and solve. So our F1 equals the root of 800 squared plus 316.4 squared minus 2 times 800 times 316.4, and that is going to be multiplied by cosine 91.7 degrees. It's going to be 868.9 newtons, or 869 newtons. Now, what we want to find is this angle here, because that is this. So what we're going to do now is the sine law. So we can do that, and we know this is 869. So we just go sine 91.7 over 869 multiplied by 316.4, which is going to equal theta. And you should get 21.3 degrees. Just like that. So F1 equals 869 newtons, and theta equals 21.3 degrees.